Ever pondered how grand the universe is? It's truly a thought to behold, a concept so vast that it boggles the mind. Imagine, if you will, our home, the Earth. It's quite large to us, isn't it? We measure it in miles, kilometers, or if you're a bit of a romantic, in leagues and furlongs. Yet even the greatest of these measurements pale in comparison to the cosmic scale. The universe is so incredibly vast that our earthly measures simply don't do it justice. We often attempt to visualize these distances, but our brains are wired for the tangible, the touchable, the distances we can walk or drive or fly. The universe, however, operates on a scale so unimaginably large that it defies our everyday comprehension, yet we strive to understand, to quantify, to bring it within the realm of our understanding. So, if Earth is our starting point, how do other celestial bodies compare? Let's start close to home with our neighboring planets. Our home planet Earth stands as a beacon of life in the vast expanse of space. But how does it stack up against the other celestial bodies in our solar system? Let's take a journey through our cosmic neighborhood to find out. First off, we have Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, just over 1/3 the size of Earth. It's followed by Venus, our closest neighbor, which is roughly the same size as Earth. Mars, often dubbed as the second Earth, is only about half our size, with a diameter just over half that of Earth's. Moving past the asteroid belt, we encounter the gas giants. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is not far behind. Despite being nearly 10 times the diameter of Earth, its low density means it would float in water. Uranus and Neptune, the outermost giants, known as the ice giants, are still roughly 4 times the diameter of Earth. Their blue hue comes from methane in their atmospheres, giving them an ethereal beauty against the backdrop of space. And so our journey through the solar system reveals the sheer scale of our planetary neighbors. From the smallest terrestrial planet to the largest gas giant, our solar system is a diverse and awe-inspiring place. And these are just our closest neighbors, but what about stars? When we look up at the night sky, stars seem like tiny specks of light. But have you ever wondered how large these celestial bodies really are? Let's take our Sun as an example. It's the largest object in our solar system, with a diameter over 100 times that of Earth. But even our Sun is but a speck compared to some of the true giants of the cosmos. Consider Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star in the constellation Orion. If we replaced our Sun with Betelgeuse, its outer surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. That's over 5 times the distance from the Sun to the Earth, and yet Betelgeuse is not even the largest star we know of. That title goes to VY Canis Majoris, a star so massive that if placed where our Sun is, its outer surface would reach out to the orbit of Saturn. Its size is so immense that it takes light more than 8 hours to travel around its circumference. That's longer than it takes for light to travel from the Sun to the Earth. These comparisons serve to show us just how vast these celestial bodies are. They dwarf our Sun and, by extension, our Earth. So, stars are enormous, but they are just a small part of even larger structures. Imagine a city where each building is a star. Just as cities are made up of countless buildings, the universe is filled with galaxies, each with billions of stars. Each galaxy is a city of stars, a celestial metropolis, if you will. Let's take a closer look at our own galactic city, the Milky Way. It's estimated to contain anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars. That's a vast number, so vast it's hard to truly comprehend. Imagine for a moment if each star in our galaxy were a grain of sand. Even then, we'd have enough to fill several Olympic-sized swimming pools. But the Milky Way is not the only city in the cosmic landscape. There's also Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor, which is nearly twice as large. It's estimated to hold around 1 trillion stars. That's like taking the sand from our earlier analogy and filling up the entire Sahara Desert. And then there's IC 1101, the largest galaxy known to us. It's a supergiant elliptical galaxy at the heart of the Abell 2029 galaxy cluster, and it spans a mind-boggling 6 million light-years. If we were to travel from one end to the other at the speed of light, it would take us 6 million years. So galaxies are massive, but they are not the biggest structures in the universe. What's bigger than a galaxy? The universe itself. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic dance where galaxies are mere dancers swirling and twirling on the grand stage that is the universe. But how grand is this stage? To answer that, we look to the observable universe, the section of the cosmos where light has had time to reach us. This sphere measures a staggering 93 billion light-years in diameter, yet this is not the end of the story. Our universe is not static, it's constantly on the move, expanding, growing, stretching. This expansion started around 13.8 billion years ago with an event we call the Big Bang. Since then, the universe has been growing at an astonishing rate. So fast, in fact, that light from some parts has not had time to reach us. The cosmic horizon, the limit of our observable universe, is moving away from us faster than the speed of light. This means that there are parts of the universe we will never see, areas that are forever beyond our grasp. It's like trying to read a book where the pages are turning faster than you can read them. The enormity of the universe is hard to comprehend. It's larger than anything we can imagine, and it's still growing. The universe's size is truly mind-boggling, and we are just a tiny speck in this vast cosmic ocean.